At least 2 people were killed as a tornado swept through a village in Baoding City, North China's Hebei Province, destroying multiple houses, local media Hebei Daily reported on Wednesday. On July 23, 2021, Hebei Province in eastern China was hit by the largest tornado outbreak in more than 10 years. At least 10 tornadoes have been reported. At least 3 of them were powerful. Reports are still coming in and the number of reported tornadoes is on the rise. It is reported that on July 23, one of the powerful tornadoes moved directly to downtown Baoding. This happened at 1300 hours UTC. The damage caused by the elements was catastrophic. According to extreme weather naturalist Eric Wang, the whirlwind barked wood, threw cars, razed several houses to the ground and injured several people. Wang also shared the incredible footage he captured as the tornado drove right into downtown Baoding.